Alright, so welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking all about Yoast SEO, which is mainly a WordPress plugin which is fantastic to make your WordPress website optimized for search engines. So this is their main website, yoast.com. As you can see, it's quite a simple plain website just with the main details about it. And this is the dashboard. Once you've installed it, you'll see it says Yoast SEO posts overview. Posts with good SEO score 1, as I have recently in another video showed you how to optimize a post, as you can see, which is why it says one of them is optimized already. And then we have analyze the entire site, and then just a few other things on here which isn't really very important. To install the plugin, all you need to do is scroll down and head over to plugins and click add new. And then once it's loaded, just go into type and type Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, hit enter, and then go to Yoast SEO and click install now, just like all the others. And then once it's installed, click activate. And once it's activated, this is the settings for Yoast SEO. You have dashboard, general, features, your info, webmaster tools, and then security. None of this is too important, so just get rid of that and close it. The main importance is that whenever you edit a page, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, just here you have Yoast SEO. As you can see on the right as well, you can see SEO is good for this page and readability needs improvement. So it gives you steps to improve the readability. So if it's in red, it needs a lot of work done to it. If it's in orange, it needs a little bit. So it's only a little bit important. If it's in red, it's very important. And if it's in green, it means it's perfect. So as you can see, the SEO is in green, which means it's perfect. Overall, it's perfect, but there are a few things which are still in red. For example, the focus keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph of the copy. So in this text, the focus keyword isn't in the first paragraph, which is bad for SEO. So all I need to do is add the focus keyword, which is online courses. As you can see, you can set that just here. All I need to do is add that to the first paragraph, which is nice and easy. And as you can see, you can also edit all of these different things. For example, your slug, the SEO title, and the meta description. That's all really easy to edit. And then you can choose your focus keyword just by typing it in here. And then, of course, we have the steps to optimize your page or post or product for SEO. So you can do this with many different things, whether it's obviously a website page, a web page, a blog post, or a product using WooCommerce, which is the WordPress e-commerce plugin to be able to sell products on your website. It's really easy to set up, it's really easy to use, and it really helps the SEO for your website. So yeah, that is Yoast. I recommend it to everyone. It's free unless you want to get the premium version, which I would say is better, but it's quite expensive. So if you're not making too much money from it, I wouldn't recommend getting the paid version. The free version's absolutely awesome, and I would recommend it to everyone. So head over to yoast.com or install the plugin today. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.